Hey everyone, my name is Amelia. I'm 14 years old and passionate about cars and ready to dive into the world of car modification. Right, I may be young, yeah, but I've got big dreams and the love for all things auto related. So you might be thinking, what is a 14-year-old girl doing talking about car modifications? Well, let me tell you, I've always had this passion for cars, and that goes beyond with just admiring them from afar. I mean, who says you have to wait till you're older to get your hands a little greasy and make some cool changes? I'm also here to tell you and to show you that how young girls like myself can actually create many new modifications and crazy transformations. From customizing the exterior to upgrading the interior and fitting uprated performance parts. I'm excited to learn, to grow, and to make this dream of mine possibly come true. Here on this journey, join me as I show you my experiences, my passion, and most importantly, my adoration for these cars. Okay, so far on this journey, I have made a big risk. I have used the money I have saved for uni to buy the Audi TTS Mark II 2010, currently in the colour black. Hopefully, I have made the right decision. My goals are to load the suspension, to fit a decat downpipe, or maybe get a full exhaust system. Also, I'm planning on fitting a body kit, an induction kit for the car, and getting it remapped. In the near future, I'm also planning on getting it wrapped in a certain colour, but unsure of which one yet. So, if you guys are watching, drop a comment below of your choice of colour, and I guess I'll choose in the end. I'm going to be accomplishing all the work myself, except for the remap. It finally arrived, the Audi TTS Mark II in the colour black with a missing bumper and headlights. So why don't we have a look around the car? Problem, we're also missing the back bumper and the back headlights. How fun. But fortunately I do have the actual requirements to actually put back the pieces together. So I do have the back bumper and I'm going to refurbish them, including with the front and the headlights and the back lights too. So why don't we start her up? First impressions, I'm actually kind of impressed. They're really nice on the inside, and I guess we'll just have to judge it by actually starting the car itself. Okay. So as you can see, the car started really nicely. The exhaust, I am actually flabbergasted. I did not expect such sound from, especially from this car. Such just admit it, the sound is too good to be true, yeah? So, let's have a look at the engine now. Down, open the door. I have to push the chair back actually. There we go. There we go. Right, into... Okay. Inside. honest, I'm actually kind of seeing how there's some work that needs to be put into it, but overall I'm actually impressed with the circumstance, and I guess I'll just show you throughout these videos how I can transform and create many modifications to this car especially.